you ever wondered what Victoria Falls looks like from above? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the breathtaking view of the mighty falls on the Zambia-Zimbabwe border. Get ready to experience the smoke that thunders like never before. This natural wonder spans a whopping 1.7 kilometers. The Zambezi River plunges over 100 meters into a chasm, creating a mist visible from miles away. From a bird's eye view, the falls create a mesmerizing scene, surrounded by lush greenery. The rainbows formed by the mist add a magical touch to the spectacle. It's a sight you won't easily forget. Do you want to see more awe-inspiring destinations? Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more incredible travel content. Ever wondered what it feels like to soar above one of the world's greatest natural wonders? Keep watching as we take you on an aerial journey over Victoria Falls, the smoke that thunders. At the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe, this majestic waterfall spans over a mile wide. With a drop of over 300 feet, it's a sight to behold. From above, you get a unique perspective of its sheer power and beauty. Witness the mist rising like smoke, creating rainbows in the sunlight. The roar of the falling water is awe-inspiring, even from a distance. It's no wonder Victoria Falls is considered one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. If you enjoyed this view from above, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more breathtaking adventures.